Good morning, children. Lesson 1, we have GK. We will see in the first chapter our houses. You know meaning of houses? Houses means where we live with our father, mother and brother and sisters. We stay in that place, pass the time, pass the night. We have life in that place. That is called a house. A house protects us from terrific cold, a wild storm, and many more different poisonous animals and other beasts also. We have different types of houses because people in India who survive, who live in India, have different categories of people. Because of different categories of people, we have seen the different houses in our India, in our country. For example, if poor people cannot afford a very big building, he can't make a bungalow, so he prepares to live his life according to his ability, according to his afford. He makes a hut and live and survive his life. But the same place, same time we have middle class of people. Middle class of people, they earn money more and they make their houses like pakka houses made up of cement, bricks, iron and etc. Rich people, those who are earning more and more money, have good bungalows. Their bungalow is prepared, made up of different uses of the people. For example, they prepare separately kitchen for cooking purpose. They have sleeping room. In that room they sleep. They have guest room separately where they attend their guests. They have fooding rooms, that is called dining room. People have dining rooms. In dining rooms they take their breakfast, lunch and supper. So we have some different types of houses like huts, duplex, bungalows, caravans, castles, flat, houseboat, igloo and tent. On this earth, a different place has got the different shapes of houses, because igloos are not seen everywhere. Igloos are only seen in the very Frisian area where every time that place is full of ice. This igloo is also made up of block of ice. They cut the ice into block and make their home, which is called an igloo. Tents are also spread where people don't have their sufficient woods to prepare their home. It is mostly found in the desert regions. In the desert regions, people anywhere, anyhow, they put the tent and live their lives. One more strange house which we don't see here, it is not available in our places, but houseboat are also seen in very those places where jheels, little water bodies are found, and people have to most of the time they pass in the water. That is why they make a houseboat, that is called houseboat, which remains in water only, and in that place people live their day and night, pass their day and night in the houseboat only, because for all the activities, for all their occupations are depending in water only. Fishing is their main occupations. By fishing they earn money and live their lives.